Hi, folks. If you're having a problem with connecting your writer to your computer since the Microsoft update, you can connect your writer using serial emulation. How do we do that? Well, what you need to do is change your options in your Translate menu. You'll find the button in the bottom left corner called Options, and when you click on that, that will give you the ability to go into your Realtime tab and change the setting. So let's take a look at that. First of all, of course, Source Writer, click Options, up to your Realtime tab, and instead of it being Realtime Writer with USB or Stenograph Writer USB, you're going to choose Serial Bluetooth. Now you'll have to pick the communication port or COM port that is associated on your computer. In my computer, it's COM4, but you'll need to check to make sure which COM port it is on your computer. And you can do that by going to the Help menu and opening your Device Manager. When you open your Device Manager, you'll see in here ports, COM, and LPT. Click on the little triangle to expand it, and below there you'll see what your COM port number is. In this case, mine is serial COM4. Once you know that for a fact, go back to Translate. Also, make sure on your writer that your USB communication port was set to standard. If it's not, it won't work. So standard on the writer, and then your COM port in Catalyst and serial Bluetooth for your connection type. By double checking those, then you can go back to Translate. Make sure it's on writer as always, Options, your Realtime tab, and verify that you are on writer, serial Bluetooth, and the correct COM port. Give your file a name, and from here you should be connecting. Be careful, I have found some people have had some issues with it not connecting, so make sure your writer is on first, that you've written a stroke, and then start your file. Sometimes order of operations will make a difference. I've worked with someone who wouldn't connect. We rebooted the computer, found out that her computer wanted to see the writer first. So as always, the writer is the most important thing. Have it on, then connect to the computer, then go into Catalyst, and then start your file. One thing you'll find out is that when you have the serial emulation, export to dictionary to writer will not work. You will not be able to do that until the drivers have been approved by Microsoft. But you can still end up using your writer to do your real time and get your job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.